All right, now that I'm done with the mission of putting the freaking motor in my truck, we can get back to the...
More working.
To the, yeah, just every day. Actually, more of a construction channel now. We always build shit that we like want to have, so it's like we don't hire anybody. That's the thing. All right, we're making some good progress here. I just gotta do this side. We're gonna leave a little gap right here, like a little door, to get towards the generator. So we're starting from that end now, and then what do you think? A pallet door?
Don't tell me what to do, dude.
Say you quit. Say I quit.
I quit.
You can't quit something that doesn't exist. Dave, building this tool bench. Guess this means we're gonna need some more tools, huh? Dave's got his new surfboard he's working on. All right, real quick, before we get any further into this video, I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who's been watching these videos, liking, commenting, subscribing, all that. You guys are the best. I've been having so much fun with my friends. Building, riding, building some more, riding some more. It's just been great. But I do want to say we have the packs on the website still. We have a whole bunch of clothes on the website right now. They're going to go to a giveaway at the end of the month that I'm going to be picking for a pair of bars, a fork, and a frame. Every single time I drop a video, I'm going to do double entries. So for right now, we got the double entries, and today is the last day that those big packs are going to be on the website. So they were normally 10 times entries. Now they're going to be 20 time entries for the next 2 hours of this video being dropped, and then they're gone. So if you guys wanted to get one of those big packs, which is basically the most bang for your buck, you get 4 t-shirts and 1 hat, a ton of stickers, and a signed photo. Go hit the website right now, obbshop.com. All the money from this stuff is going to help pay for the skid steer in November that we're getting, and then obviously for all the dirt, for the dirt jumps, and then soon enough we're getting right back into the concrete trucks. So all we need is the skid steer and the rain to stop, and that will be keep on trucking. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Can you get it shaped up?
One big one for you.
Yeah, for real. The no shoes, man. It's really. Screws are sticking up a bit, so Dave's grinding them down. This is tool bench making with Dave.
Quick.
Dave, stop picking your scabs, dude. No, come on. You're gonna break it. You're gonna regret it.
You're gonna regret it.
We're gonna tack it up. We're gonna tack it, put the patches on. It'll be fine. It'll be fine for like another month.
Sides are holding them good.
Yeah, super good, super good. All right, there are freaking tool bench legs. It's actually really good. It's really good. Free 99, baby. Finally, we got some free shit back again.
You have to pay for the poles.
True, you're right. It's not free.
And you're like, didn't pay for nothing except $150 worth of screws.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm gonna try and make a shelf down here.
Yeah, we should, because this weekend, it's a big weekend, dude. First time we're ever gonna use. Is it good? Yeah. Oh, I thought you were just testing its stability. I was like, oh, nice, yeah. Hey, you hammer on it, man. It feels good. This weekend, Dave's got an oil leak. So it's gonna be the first weekend we get to work in the freaking new garage. It's gonna be sick. Marcel said that he's got this tool cart that he doesn't need anymore. Makes sense, but we're stoked because we could definitely use it out here. So we'll put that out here. I got a whole bunch of tools. Oh man, there's a little man down there. Don't worry, Dave. I got that romantic vibe you're looking for this thing. It's a bundle of romance right here. What do you think, Chadwick? Pretty cool or what?
I was just saying that when we started the project, you were thinking about buying property.
Yeah.
The project's almost over and you already got all this fucking shit. It's crazy.
You like this? You need a new car?
Yeah.
I bet you money if you put gas in this right now and you can figure out how to get in the ignition, it would probably start up. It's stuck.
Figure out how to move it. Try to move it with a skid steer.
Was this
trucks,
the one that
everything.
was buried underneath all this shit?
Yeah.
No.
So we buried it, and then we were like, "Why? We're gonna use it for fill over
well,
there."
we put it in here, and we had Dave drive over it. She's seen some good old days. That was some fun times with this one. This car bought it for $400. First 10 minutes of owning it, got pulled over on I-4, had cops questioning the hell out of me, and then built it into a ramp, had a whole jam on it for Gonzalo, brought it out here. Dave just got the door built up. Me and Chow got the first official full wall completely up. Look at that thing. That looks amazing.
Real sturdy, man of wood.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
What if it just forward?
Just crushes everything. Really got Trey stuck trucking quite the pickle over here.
Who put the truck here?
I did.
Driver.
I can parallel park anywhere you need. The vision's really coming together, huh, Dave? Look at that. That actually looks sick as hell. Solid enough. Look at Chowie just chilling on the roof. It's going good. Look at that. Chowick, freaking honorary member today. Really putting in the work. You weirdo, you.
You need the concrete shirt.
Hey.
Want one.
Yeah, you need a concrete shirt and one of those McDonald's hats. All right, we just got to Candyland Skate Park. We got some exciting stuff going on today. I don't know if you guys remember, if it wasn't a year, it was damn near close to a year ago when I first came back to Florida. Chad DeGroot, owner of Mr. Bikes and Boards, but he always helps out the scene of Longwood, okay? And Candyland is like our local skate park. Me and Trey live right down the road from here. Mr. Bikes and Boards is in spitting distance of here. Sparky's is literally, I could throw a football to Sparky's from here. He did a fundraiser when I first came back and like a bunch of people donated. I felt really bad that I had this awesome, crazy, badass backyard ramp. I'm incredibly thankful for it, and it's been one of the coolest things that's ever happened to me for sure. But I felt bad that all the kids that lived in this area could not ride it, and there's reasons for that is because of liability. I mean, I do have waivers still for my friends and stuff like that, but it's kind of different when you have like your friends that you've known for a long time that ride a ramp, even when they sign a waiver, it's kind of like a trust thing. In reality, we live in a time where people are kind of sue happy, so unfortunately I'm just not able to do that, and it bums me out because I wish I could have everyone come ride my ramp because that's what I want. But that being said, I had the opportunity to donate to this, and I wanted to see something awesome get built for the kids. So kids, adults, whoever the hell was going to ride this thing, I don't really care, but as long as everyone's having fun on it. But they built this crazy metal ramp, okay? Now Countryman and Jay are two buddies. You know Countryman, he's in the videos. Jay's also in the videos sometimes too, the guy that brought the tractor. They were sitting here in this freaking barn thing, whatever the hell you want to call it. The building that I probably wish we had, actually. The thing's pretty badass, but you know, budget cuts, whatever. They were welding that up in there. Chad shot out a text message to me, said, hey, if you got some time on Thursday, come by and we'll get this thing all set in place, need an extra set of hands. And everyone's been so helpful with my property, so I figured I'd come out and lend a hand and maybe get some clips, maybe ride for a little bit. Big Countryman weld those?
Yeah.
See if your welds are good, Jay and Countryman. They will be. It's not ours. Sure has some people welding it for you.
Weld.
We got it, folks.
I think it's strips.
We did it. Honeycut, you helped so much, man. Honeycut showed up. Was like, what's up?
He's sweating from smoking, that's it.
He's got his new little vape over there.
So there's gonna be chatter.
So, as you can see down there, it's held in by a couple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those are about 5 inch into the slab. And look at their slab, dude. Hey, that's a lot thicker than our slab.
It stiffens it up.
That's crazy. Let's see what the 75 plus state champions got over here.
Who?
You.
What do you mean?
Senior class. I'm following you, dude. I don't got brakes, remember that. You're pretty fast though.